So this worksheet is part of our pumpkin theme unit, and we're looking at pumpkins as the fruit that they are, not as part of Halloween and jack-o'-lanterns. So in this picture, it wants us to do the outside of a pumpkin. I'm not looking to do a jack-o'-lantern face, no. I'm looking to look at a pumpkin and try and draw something very similar. So I can see in this pumpkin, which is actually a model of a pumpkin, that it's got orange lines that go through it. So I'm going to draw on those orange lines. And I can see the stem is actually, well, in a real pumpkin, quite green, quite a dark green. It does get a little woody, so there could be a bit of brown in it. And the pumpkin itself is orange. This one anyways. Other pumpkins come in other colors. So I'm going to make the skin on this pumpkin orange. Notice how I'm using my pencil crayon? I'm just using the side of it instead of straight up and down. When I look really carefully too, sometimes there's little spots on the pumpkin. It's not perfectly orange. There might be little yellowy spots here and there. So I've got the outside of my pumpkin done. What I want to do is label it. So I'm going to use the scientific names. I'm going to draw a little line here and label that part of the pumpkin as saying this is the stem. The stem. And I can draw a line going from one of the lines, and I can write that that is the lines on the pumpkin. And I can put a little line maybe right here on the very edge, and I can write that this is the skin, but it actually isn't called skin, it's called rind. R-I-N-D. That's the rind of the pumpkin. So we have the rind or skin, we have the lines, and we have the stem that we can see on the outside of a pumpkin.